The old tired trim on the side of your truck that's looking kind of grimy, and you want to make it look nicer without having to rip it off in fear of ripping off paint or whatever mishap. Got an idea for you. Of course, I'm doing this on an F350, but it doesn't really matter what truck you do it on. You got that trim. This is what it's going to look like. My idea. Tell me what you think. Now, pretty simple. You can buy this trim anywhere. Auto Advance, AutoZone, Pep Boys. We just stick it on to the very top, and then for the bottom you get one little extra piece to put at the bottom, just to do a little extra customizing. I gotta tell you, it looks really nice. Why I did the video. So here we are, old Cuddy, new, and you keep the same rubber trim, so the contrast with the black and the chrome looks good. So there you have it, guys. Do it. Before I go, let me give you one last tip. When you're putting the trim, the chrome trim on top of the trim, you're not going to cut it first. You're just going to cut it at approximation. Okay, cut it at approximation where it comes out a little bit on one end, it goes out a little bit on the other end, and then once you put it on, just like that, then you get the razor and you cut it inside to make it fit look really good. Okay, so hold on, I'll show you how I do this one. So I put it on there. I'm gonna come to the end here. You see how it's overlapping. I'm gonna cut it on the inside because I want that black trim there on each side. So I'm gonna eyeball it. Take your time. Push it down. There we go. See how you got the black edge over here? Keeps it all inside. Clean. And there's that one piece. Same thing with the second piece. Now remember, this is the custom part because Ford only came with the chrome in the middle. So we're going to throw this one in the piece, accent it. We're going to even it up there. And we're going to cut it the same angle as one up top. There you go. Looks good. Alright. Do make sure that this is clean, by the way, before you go sticking anything on there. Alcohol pad. Alright, and we have it. Looks pretty damn good. Clean. It's a nice clean look.